stakeholders like the UN agencies, provincial health departments, and the federal government, they are implementing the program in close collaboration. Over 1.5 million families after every 3 months. And this number is going up day by day, and we are aiming to enroll up to 2 million families by end. Today is 7th April 2024, and 7th April is observed as International Health Day. Health and education has a very important role in human capital development. And in every country, the indicators of health and education basically let us know what kind of development we have in the country. More than 40% children in Pakistan are stunted according to National Nutrition Survey. Stunting prevention should be the biggest priority as a country because a stunted child is burden to the economy. Stunting is irreversible beyond 2 years. So we have to focus on prevention stunting. So considering all these aspects in mind, Benazir Income Support Program, being largest social safety net program of the country, took an initiative on health and nutrition and decided to prevent the stunting amongst best beneficiary families who are basically poorest of the poor. Today I am here in front of our Nashr-e-Numa Center in Islamabad. This center is serving poorest of the poor communities of Benazir Income Support Program. They are visiting these centers for antenatal and postnatal care, for the growth monitoring, for receiving the awareness session focusing on dietary diversity, sanitation, and breastfeeding. Along with that, these beneficiary families are being provided specialized nutritious food for pregnant lactating women and children under 2 years. Not only specialized nutritious food, but we are also focusing on the immunization of both mother and the child. And if they achieve all these compliances, they are being provided the conditional cash transfer, which is actually helping them in smoothing the consumption pattern, especially the consumption related to the food. So it's a combined package. You can see many families in the background who are here to receive the cash assistance from Benazir Income Support Program. And there is a continuous demand of our health and nutrition conditional cash transfer amongst these families. There are many who are witnessing a major improvement in the health of their child and in the health of the mother.
कहाँ से आई आप? खन्नापुर से। तो कितने माह की है ये बच्ची?
ये 20 दिन की।
अच्छा, तो आपने खुद खुराक खाई है?
जी पहले मैं खुद लेती रही।
तो कितना अर्सा आपने ली है?
मैं 2 खुराकें ली हैं।
तो माशाल्लाह हेल्दी है ये बेबी 20 दिन की।
The main issue of the stunting is the food insecurity. And food insecurity comes with issue of affordability. But it's important, the food that they are purchasing, whether it's nutritious enough or not. Are they aware which food is nutritious and which is not? So for that, we added a component of specialized nutritious food in the design of health and nutrition CCT. Conditional cash transfer globally considered as important and played a vital role in improving the human capital development, because human capital development is the most important pillar to the reduction of the poverty in the long run. Benazir Income Support Program is committed to focus more on human capital development of its beneficiary families through its cash transfer component, focusing more on health and education. All stakeholders like the UN agencies, provincial health departments, and the federal government, they are implementing the program in close collaboration. World Food Program is our implementing partner for executing of this program all across the country. We are also seeking support from UNICEF and WHO for the treatment component and social behavior change communication. We have expanded this program in all districts of the country. We have more than 500 facilitation centers established in Tehsil and district level health facility, providing services to over 1.5 million families after every 3 months. And this number is going up day by day, and we are aiming to enroll up to 2 million families by end of June 2024. We are hoping that in future, no child remains stunted. At least the child belongs to these beneficiary families. And that is our objective. We want child to be prevented from the stunting. And we believe that if we are able to track the child and prevent the child till the child reached to the age of 2 years, it would be a big success of the program. Government of Pakistan is committed to prevent stunting in our country. Thank you very much.
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।